Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of cryptocurrency and explore the phenomenon that is Bitcoin. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just curious about this digital currency, buckle up because you're in for a wild ride. What is Bitcoin? Let's start by overviewing the definition of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a groundbreaking form of decentralized digital currency that operates independently of any central authority or government. Bitcoin was created in 2009 by an anonymous entity known as Satoshi Nakamoto, who is rumored to currently own over 1 million Bitcoin across different wallets. All we know about Satoshi is that they are responsible for developing Bitcoin in its early days, and that they communicated with other developers via email and forum posts until Satoshi disappeared in April 2011. Bitcoin utilizes advanced cryptographic techniques to enable secure peer-to-peer transactions across a distributed network. Peer-to-peer simply means there is no middleman when a transaction occurs between one person and another person. Unlike traditional currencies, Bitcoin is not backed by physical assets or controlled by any single institution. Instead, it relies on a transparent public ledger called the blockchain to record and verify all transactions. This decentralized nature means that Bitcoin transactions can occur globally without the need for intermediaries like banks, potentially offering greater financial autonomy and reduced transaction costs. With a fixed supply cap of 21 million coins, Bitcoin also introduces a unique economic model that some view as a hedge against inflation and a store of value in the digital age. To summarize these points, I would describe Bitcoin as a scarce asset made by unnamed individuals, but can be sent conveniently to someone in a different continent quickly and cheaply. The technology behind Bitcoin blockchain technology, the backbone of Bitcoin, is a revolutionary system for recording and verifying transactions without the need for a central authority. Imagine a digital ledger that's duplicated and distributed across a vast network of computers. Each block in this chain contains a group of transactions, and once a block is added, it can't be altered without changing all subsequent blocks. A feat that would require an immense amount of computing power. This is where Bitcoin miners come into play. Miners are participants in the network who use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems in a process called mining. Their role is crucial. They validate new transactions and add them to the blockchain. When a miner successfully solves a problem, they get the right to add the next block to the chain and are rewarded with newly created Bitcoins. This process not only secures the network, but also introduces new coins into circulation in a controlled manner. The concept of proof of work is integral to this system. It's the mechanism that requires miners to expend computational effort to solve these mathematical puzzles. The difficulty of these puzzles is automatically adjusted to ensure that new blocks are added at a steady rate, regardless of how much total computing power is being used for mining. This proof-of-work system serves multiple purposes. It makes it extremely difficult and costly to attack or manipulate the blockchain. It distributes new coins in a fair way, and it provides a decentralized method to achieve consensus about the state of the network. In essence, proof-of-work transforms electrical power and computing resources into a secure, trustless system for digital transactions. While this system has been criticized for its energy consumption, it remains a cornerstone of Bitcoin's security and decentralization. The interplay between blockchain technology, mining, and proof of work creates a robust, self-regulating system that has maintained Bitcoin's integrity for over a decade, revolutionizing our understanding of digital currencies and decentralized systems. Bitcoin's origins and history to date. Bitcoin's journey began in October 2008 with the publication of a groundbreaking white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, by the pseudonymous Satoshi Nakamoto. This 9-page document laid out the foundation for a decentralized digital currency that would revolutionize the financial world. On January 3, 2009, the Bitcoin network came to life with the mining of the Genesis block, containing a headline about bank bailouts, embedding Bitcoin's creation in the context of the 2008 financial crisis. The first real-world Bitcoin transaction occurred on May 22, 2010, when programmer Laszlo Hanyecz famously purchased 2 pizzas for 10,000 BTC, valuing each Bitcoin at a fraction of a cent. This Bitcoin Pizza Day is now celebrated annually by cryptocurrency enthusiasts. As Bitcoin gained traction, it hit several significant milestones. In February 2011, it achieved parity with the US dollar. The year 2013 saw Bitcoin's value skyrocket to over $1,000, followed by a crash and a gradual recovery. In 2017, Bitcoin experienced a massive bull run, peaking at nearly $20,000 in December. The following years were marked by increased institutional interest, with companies like MicroStrategy and Tesla adding Bitcoin to their balance sheets in 2020 and 2021. El Salvador made history in September 2021 by becoming the first country to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender. The cryptocurrency reached an all-time high of nearly $69,000 in November 2021, followed by a significant market correction in 2022. In early 2024, the approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs in the United States marked another milestone, potentially opening the door for broader mainstream adoption. Throughout its history, Bitcoin has faced numerous challenges, including regulatory scrutiny, market volatility, and technological hurdles. Yet it has continued to grow and evolve, maintaining its position as the leading cryptocurrency and inspiring a whole ecosystem of blockchain-based innovations. The economics of Bitcoin. Bitcoin's economic model is built on a system of mining rewards, a predetermined supply cap, and deflationary characteristics that have led some to label it as digital gold. At the heart of this model are Bitcoin miners, who validate transactions and secure the network. As a reward for their efforts, miners receive newly created Bitcoins, a process that serves the dual purpose of distributing new coins and incentivizing network participation. Initially, the mining reward was set at 50 Bitcoins per block, but a key feature of Bitcoin's design is the halving event. Approximately every 4 years or every 210,000 blocks, the mining reward is cut in half. This event, often accompanied by significant market anticipation, has occurred 3 times so far. In 2012, reducing the reward to 25 BTC, 2016, 12.5 BTC, 2020, 6.25 BTC, and 2024, 3.125 BTC. The next halving is expected to occur in 2028. This halving mechanism is crucial to Bitcoin's monetary policy, as it gradually decreases the rate of new Bitcoin creation, leading to a deflationary supply schedule. Perhaps the most famous aspect of Bitcoin's economic design is its hard cap of 21 million coins. This fixed supply, expected to be reached around the year 2140, stands in stark contrast to cash that can be printed at will by central banks. It's this scarcity, combined with its durability, divisibility, and decentralized nature, that has led many to view Bitcoin as a form of digital gold. Like gold, Bitcoin is seen by its proponents as a store of value and a hedge against inflation. The term digital gold encapsulates the idea that Bitcoin could serve in the digital age as gold has throughout history.